Everybody, Awesome Cubing here, and today we have 2x2s here, and I'm going to be showing you how to solve them. So, let's get started. So, the first thing we're going to do in solving them is mixing them up. So, we can't solve it if it's already solved, so we're going to have to mix it up. All mixed up. So now what we're going to do is I'm going to show you how to solve the cube. So the first thing in solving the cube is we're going to solve the white side. So what we're going to do is look for, bumped the camera there. Okay, so what we're going to do is look for white pieces. So here we have some white pieces. So first thing we're going to have here is white, green, and red piece. So we have to find the other white piece that had red on it. So that's right here. So we wanted to get over to here. So we're just going to take it out of its place over here, bring it over here, and then bring it up. And there you go. Now these two are connected. So now the next thing we're going to do is find this piece. So this piece is supposed to go over here. So this is a white, green, and orange piece, and this is white, green, and red. So we want the white and green to be put together. So what we're going to do is bring it out of the way, bring this down so we can have it, so we can put this piece in there. And we just put the piece in there and put it back up here. So there you go. Now we have these three pieces. Now we have to look for here tonight. Another white piece. So another white piece right here. So we're just gonna do this, but we can't put it in there yet because it's not right. So just do it 2 times. Put it in there. Bring it up. Put it to the side. Bring it down and put it in. There you go. Now we solve the white side. So now I need to solve it on this cube. So we have these two already in there. Luckily. So this piece, we want to put it over there, so we just simply bring it to the side, bring it up, there you go. And this one, bring it down, 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 there you go. Now, we can put it in here. There you go. Now we have the white side solved. So both of them have the white side solved. So, first thing we're going to do is solving, now is going to be solving the yellow side. Not the first thing, second thing, or whatever. Resolve yellow side. So here we have a situation that we can just do this algorithm. There, it solves the yellow. But the main algorithm that you're going to be using for most of the states is this. Then we do that algorithm we just did on here. There you go. Now I'm going to show you another situation that you could have. So, here's another situation that you could have, that you can just do the algorithm I showed you. There you go. And then do it again and it'll solve. There you go. Solve the other side. So, Another situation that you could have is this situation where we have the white up and 2 yellow pieces facing out. What we do is simply the same thing we keep doing. Then we get here, but this time this yellow piece isn't facing toward us, it's facing outward, so we have to do it another time. So we go back to where it has the yellow piece, and then here the other yellow piece is facing toward us, so now I can do the algorithm again. And there you go, solved. So the next thing we're going to be doing is solving the last layer. So first thing that we see when we're on this cube is that these 2 pieces are already aligned, so let's put it in the proper side. So there you go. So The algorithm we need to know for flipping these two pieces is this. And it solves. So that solved that cube. Now we're going to solve this cube. So we see in this situation that it does not solve where it has one side solved. So none of the sides are solved. So now we're going to have to go and do the algorithm twice. So let's do it. And we put the side that has the 2 solved in the back. And then do the algorithm again. There you go. And there you have it. That's how you solve the 2x2 Rubik's Cube. So, there you go. Thank you for watching, and bye. So, that's how you solve the 2x2 Rubik's Cube.